In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a cyber light transition in CapCut Pro. Let's get started. Open CapCut Pro and create a new project. Tap the import button and upload the videos you want to edit. Once your videos are imported, add them to the track in the order you want them to appear. Next, trim each clip by dragging its edges to set the desired duration. After that, go to the Transition tab, use the search bar, and type Cyberlight to find the effect. Once found, tap on it to preview the transition. Once you're happy with it, tap the Add button to apply it to the track. In the toolbar, adjust the duration slider to control how fast or slow the transition appears. If you want to apply throughout the entire video, tap the Apply to All button. Once you're done, preview the video to see the result. Once you're satisfied with the result, tap the Export button to save your final project. And that's it! You've successfully created a cyber light transition in CapCut Pro. Thanks for watching and happy editing! If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks!